Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about JavaScript classes. If you're new to programming, you might be wondering what classes are and how they work in JavaScript. Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of JavaScript classes and how to use them in your code. So, what are classes in JavaScript? Simply put, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It's a way to define a set of properties and methods that an object should have. How to define a class. To define the class, use the keyword class and provide the suitable name of that class and add a method called constructor. How to create class instance. The instance of a class is created with the help of new keyword, followed by the name of the class. Here, we have a class called person that has two properties, name and age. And we are creating a constructor method in it. It creates the object instance of class. We also have a method called greet that logs a message to the console. It will be used to print name and age properties. Now we are creating two parameters in constructor, name and age. The constructor method will receive the values of name and age and assign them to the class properties. Now, let's create an object using this class. Here, we've created a new object called person1 using the person class. We've passed in the values for the name and age properties, and then we've called the greet method. Constructor receive the values of name and age in parameters from person object creation and will assign them to the class properties. When we run this code, we'll see the message, "Hello, my name is John and I'm 30 years old," in the console. So, that's the basic idea of classes in JavaScript. Class allow you to define a blueprint for creating objects with specific properties and methods. But there's more to it than that. Let's take a look at some of the other features of JavaScript classes. One of the key features of classes in JavaScript is inheritance. Inheritance allows you to create a new class that inherits properties and methods from an existing class. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we have a class called employee that extends the person class. This means that the employee class inherits the name and age properties, as well as the greet method from the person class. We are adding a new method called work in employee class. We are also adding location property in it. Now we will create a new object of employee class with new operator and assign value of name, age and location properties. After assigning values in name, age and location properties, if we log the value of the emp1 object of employee class, you will see the employee class object contains the value of name, age and location properties in console window. But if you observe the employee class code, you will see that it have only property that is location property. But in console log, the employee object is showing the name and age properties that are part of person class. How this happened? This is due to inheritance. With extends keyword, the employee class inherit the properties and method of person class. Thank you. Subscribe for more short videos and tutorials.